Hi, my name is Allison Beatty, and my major is elementary education with a specialization in the TAL program. The future grade level that I would like to teach is 5th graders with a subject area in English. My beliefs about technology in the classroom is that technology and throughout the whole entire world is growing tremendously, and it is very important that teachers today prepare their students for their future lives by showing them many different ways in which they can use technology. The 3 to 4 artifacts that I would be sharing today is both my lesson plans, as well as a Kahoot and a S'mores website. My first lesson plan is a lesson plan that I made with my group, and we included a Chatterpix, Gameboard with QR codes, and a Kahoot in this lesson plan. This lesson plan was a digital citizenship lesson plan, and we taught our students about handling cyberbullying. We use a Chatterpix to introduce this topic to the students. This involved a very engaging way to introduce them to what we would be learning about in the classroom. We then used this game board that had many QR codes on it that introduced them and showed them many different websites that gave them information on how to handle cyberbullying. We ended this lesson plan with a Kahoot. The next lesson plan that I'll be showing you is my lesson plan about looping. This was our for loop fun lesson plan, and we used a Nearpod to introduce this topic to the students. Nearpod was a very easy way to show them different ways of vocabulary that they could have on their iPads while they were following along with this lesson plan. It also provided many easy links for them that they could follow along with in order to be very engaged in our lesson plan. We then used a Scratch game, which was very fun for all the students to use. This showed them a very easy way that looping is involved and used in gaming. The next thing that I will show you is my Kahoot. The Kahoot that I made was used in order to teach 5th graders about different types of grammar that would be used in their classroom. As you can see, there is many different questions that I asked them. It involved many fun ways for them to answer the questions that they learn in class. The final thing that I will be showing you today is my online book. The online book that I created was a very fun and efficient way for me to teach the students about different types of cycles. The cycle that I chose to focus on was the butterfly life cycle. Online books are a very fun and engaging way for students to learn. For my reflection on W200, I think that it is very important for students to use technology in the classroom. There's many things that I've learned throughout this course, such as the 4 E's, that will help me engage my students in different ways in which they can use technology in their futures. I think that students will be able to use technology in many different ways. Some ideas for technology integration in the classroom is to use websites such as these many different badges that I created. They can use Chatterpix, S'mores, Pinterest, Twitter Chat, Kahoot, and many others in order to make their learning more effective.